Okay, what I want to talk to you today about is getting started with Microsoft Teams. Some people have had some problems, so just in case you want to go over things just again, um, if you look at like what's up on the video and stuff, if you go to the Monmouth Regional homepage, okay, let's get there. If you go to the Monmouth Regional homepage, if you go down to the, whoops, there it goes. It's taking a second. But if you go down, you click on Office 365, and it comes. There's a login for Office 365. This is all on like the internet, so it's not like something you have to have on a computer. You then sign in using your school email and your password. If you haven't reset your password for this year, it's at capital M R H 2021, and that's to help reset your passwords. And then you put to something you're going to do that. So once you sign in, okay, it'll come up and there'll be a different looking page. Oops. Okay, let's go. I'll sign in again. Sign in again. Oops. And when it comes up, it's going to have all the different categories, and you see all the different stuff that comes up. You then would click on Microsoft Teams. Okay, and then when you get to Microsoft Teams, you're not going to have all these channels. I have lots of channels, lots of teams, I'm sorry. What you would do is you would click on the team for, oops, move up a little higher, English 4 CCR 2021, and you click on that team. Okay, so we click on that team. It's going to come up for you. Okay, and then you have different class periods. The class periods are for like group discussions, things like that, and you'll be told to do that. But right now, we just want to look at the assignments page. So we had an assignment last week about the writing assignment. So you go on, if you look on the left-hand column, you see activity, chat, teams, assignments, calendar, calls, files, shift stuff. So you just go to assignments because that's where all your assignments are going to be. All the assignments for the entire year will be on the Microsoft Teams. Okay, you pick our class, English 4 CCR 2021, and you go up, and the assignment's going to start to show up. And you have the personal narrative essay. So at this point, 14 of 123 people completed their essay. There's some more people who've done offline. Okay, and the assignment's going to come up. And you're going to get the student view. I have a teacher view. Okay, and there's 3 different documents. And you'll see the you pick out the different documents that you would need. But for our writing assignment, we would pick that student narrative essay document, and we open that up, and the document opens up, and there's a student view, and it's going to take a second. And you'll see over on the right-hand side, it says Edit Document. You click on Edit Document. You do Edit, or you can open the desktop back. It's up to you. Okay, then you get in there, you type in your essay, you do all the, the stuff's there, and oops, there it goes. Okay, you're in the edit mode. It's working for me. I don't know if it's going to work for me, but you go in that. When you go in the edit mode, you'll be able to type up the essay. Okay. So I guess it's not letting me do it because I'm the teacher. But oh wait, is it going to? If you were a student, you basically no, now it's saved. Oh wait a minute, now it's working. It really would be nice if. Okay, there it goes. So you type in your name, you get your essay, and then you do work on different stuff. My computer's giving me problems. But the stuff you can just title your essay. Come on. It's just taking a while to do it. Okay. Yeah, I did too many things. Title of essay, life story. You can call it whatever you want. Oops. And then you start working on it. And as you see, as you type stuff in, it automatically saves everything for you. Okay, so right there you see on the right-hand side, it still says that you're editing. Okay, and then you can click, reviewing, stuff like that, comments and suggestions, and you just do all your work. Okay, and then you have all that stuff done. And eventually you're going to be done with your essay. Oops. I don't want to do that. Okay, and then once you're done, when you close it, okay, the document will be done. You can open up again. See all my stuff is there. Everything I typed because it's all been saved. And I'm all good, okay? And then, oops. It's download PDF or whatever. There's all different things. So you worked on the essay and you close it all up. Okay? And then you close everything back up again. Oh man, let's see what we got going here. This is annoying. Open in Teams, sorry. So the essay, so every time you go in, you can start working on it more and do different things with it. Okay, and that's all you have. Okay, and then you can print the document up, resave it or whatever, and that's just save and close. Okay, and you all have that work done there. And there should be also eventually, eventually when you finish your essay and stuff, there should be a submit button. Okay, let me go look on my son's page. I added Michael to the team. Oh, there it is. See, so if you were like it was a student account, you see how you have your essay done, and then you would just turn everything in, and then the work would be done. Okay, so the two apps are different things, but all you do is you open it up, and you go to edit the document, stuff like that. Now, Michael has on my home computer, we have the website app. Oh no, I just opened up back in mine. Oh, open the desktop app. Okay, and the things are there. Ooh, I know what happened. I edited my final document. How dumb is that? Okay, but you open up the desktop app and work on the desktop app. So that's how you do the writing assignments. I have to go back and fix that now. That's great. Okay, so that's how you do the different assignments, and then you can turn it in. We also have the calls. So when we have, you can contact people or stuff like that. We also have the mutes. Let's go, there's chat. Okay, you can chat with different people. You just like who you want to talk to. You just do the different people. So you click on the sign with people to the side, enter the name. I want to talk to Michael. Oops, no, too many letters. So I'm not going to talk to these Michaels because, oh my God, more Michaels. Oh, we're going to add all the names. That's weird. It's really weird. But you can use chat and stuff like that. Let's see, who do I chat with? New chat. Their name. Okay, let's see. Well, we'll talk with Michael Sternweiss. Okay, we start a new conversation. Then we at the bottom. You can't see the bottom. I move the bottom up. Oh no, I said time. Let's move down. Type in my message. Hello, Michael. And then submit. And the message is far on the bottom, and it shows up there for the chat. And then Michael would get the message. Okay, you have the teams. There's the assignments. There's calls. There's files. Eventually, I'm going to start putting files in there. Okay, then right there you have the student narrative essay document, but there will also be other files that you can use at later times. And then we go to activity. Oops, now go to teams. When we go to teams page, there's general, which is the different things to be posted on general. 1 second. Everything comes up. Well, that's the assignments. So we go to posts. You have the stuff that I posted online for the different classes. You have the files. Nothing's coming up right now. Okay, there'll be class materials will be put in there so you could find it for when you do writing assignments. Class notebook. The class notebook will be used for notes, for tests and things like that. We'll set up. It's not set up yet because we're just starting the marking period. You have assignments. And there will be there. And we have grades. And that also tell you all the different assignments and just see where you stand or whatever as things go, okay? So that's just basically use the Microsoft Teams. Oh, here's Meet. And Meet is in the right-hand corner, and that's what we do when we hold classes. And we'll do Meet every day, and we're going to start recording all those messages. So if there's any questions you have about Microsoft Teams, don't hesitate to ask. Oh, this is Michael. And we'll go and we'll work on that stuff as we go. So just remember, if you have to contact me, you can do a little chat over there on the left-hand side. If you want to do extra help, there's the Meet option, or you can also do other things like that. You can call me eventually, whatever. So there's all different things. So take a little time to play with it, but remember how to get to assignments and how to work the other stuff, okay? Remember, any questions, just email me or send or do a little chat with me through the Microsoft Teams. Have a good day.